Hey, good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning, the day after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. We are filming this prior to Thanksgiving, but I'm assuming we will have a good Thanksgiving. Anyway, I'm sure everybody is just in a turkey coma and all of that good stuff. I'm sure we will be. But today is the day that our Black Friday sale starts. You'll be seeing this 3:30 in the morning, and it doesn't start for another few hours. But I wanted to get on here, go over some stuff. But first things first, I want to do a success story. Our boy Matt Bay got an amazing shout out from Jonathan Katz on his email that he sends out. So Matt sent me a copy of it. I'm not on Jonathan's email list, but if you want to see it, you can go join his email list, go to his website, and join his email list. If you don't know who Jonathan Katz is, he's got a huge channel, does YouTube videos, Instagram. He's a big deal. Guy is a big deal. We had a chance to meet him. He was at our down in Phoenix not too long ago, but we couldn't make it. We had other things going on. We couldn't get there. But anyway, I hear great things about him. I love his videos. I watch him all the time, as probably many of you do. Jonathan Katz Moses. Anyway, go check him out if you don't know who he is. But he left a great shout out for, this is, Matt sent me the email that Jonathan Katz email, and he put a picture in here and just did a glowing review of Matt. Said, meet this week's content creator, Matt, Old Man Bay Signs. And it just kind of goes over Matt's story, a conglomeration, just a condensed version of Matt's story. But anyway, congratulations, Matt. We're all so proud of you. You're doing amazing things. It's just a testament. Matt is a testament to hard work and dedication, and he's just out there just doing great things, and great things are going to happen because of that, I'm sure. Anyway, Matt, so proud of you, buddy. So happy for you. Okay, so now let's get to the Black Friday stuff. So this year we've added new things to the Black Friday special, which is 50% off of all of these things. So, babe, if you want to pan down here, we'll kind of go through this.
Yeah,
so
try to get the glare off of these.
We've got 3 different categories setting on the.
That's just not gonna work.
You're gonna jump.
I'm too short. Sorry, guys.
Does that help?
It's still got glare. Sorry, guys. The bags are.
I can maybe stand them up a little bit.
Go ahead.
So we've got layout, letters, and numbers, and we've got 6 different fonts: Universal, Fatty, Clarendon, Tiki, Western, and Bookman. And then we have different sizes from half inch up to 6 inch. So this is the first category. All the layout letter sets are 50% off. All the layout template sets are 50% off. This is just 4 different ones. We've got probably, I don't know, 15 or 20. We've got a bunch of different sets, including sets, and I was looking at them, including the sets of all of the toms for 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020, I guess. So in these, there must be 12 in here, right? So you actually get a couple extras in there. These are all sets of 10. So that's the second category. Third category that we've added this year that we've never done before. Huh?
Oh, first category is
layout,
numbers.
Yeah, letters and numbers, yeah. So, and the third category is the stencils.
Hold that up just a smidge.
Now, we've had these stencils for a long time, but we're adding these to, we've never added them to the Black Friday special sale before, but these are 50% off too. So we've got, of course, these are just a small representative sample of the different ones that we have. and I'll show you how to find those in just a minute. The family template, which is very, very popular. The Freedom Eagle is maybe our best seller. Along with all the Live to Ride templates, the 3 Eagle sizes are on special too, and then of course the clock.
There's also that heart flag, the 8-inch heart
Yeah,
flag.
yeah. I could only bring so much out here, but the large heart flag is also part of the stencils. Now, how you find, and we've had a little issue with this, if you are on a smartphone, if you are on a PC and you go and you're looking for the stencils specifically, on the left-hand side, well, yours would be the left-hand side. On a PC, you'll scroll down and you'll see it listed there, stencils, stencil layouts.
It's in the category box.
Yeah, it's in the category box there, second or third down. But if you're on a smartphone, and iPad, I don't know. But if you're on a smartphone, what you need to do, because it's a narrower version, what you need to do is go to the site map. So this is the front page.
Turn it this way. There you go.
That's the front page of Make a Wood Sign on the smartphone. So what you want to do, I'm going to see if I can do this. You want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and down here you'll see a bunch of things you can click on. One of them is a site map. I have to turn it slightly to find it. Yep. So I just clicked on the site map. And then when the site map comes up, this tells you everything that's on the page, on all the pages.
I don't know that they can see it, but
Yeah.
anyway.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand it a little bit. Stencil layout templates right there. Oops, I hit my fat fingers. Let me go back.
Training's 50%.
Oh yeah, and the 4th category, we've got another 4th category too. But let's stencil layout templates, and then when you go there, you should be able to see all the stencils that are on sale.
There'll be a banner that you can click on for the sale too. So
Yeah, and then also you can always call as well. And if you have an idea of what you want, you can always call and order over the phone as well. And then the 4th category that we just decided, in the last few days, we just decided to add to the, well, I should have left that up, huh? Yeah. That we just decided to add to the sale is the online course, the paid online course, which is Carving All Things Inset. So you can go, and that's right on the front page as well. Let me see here.
Can't see it.
I know. Hang on.
No, I'm saying when you zoom in, I don't think I can see it.
So if you want to get to the course, you'll see that in the...
Oh, there it is. I see. Courses, okay.
Okay, so, and you get here by hitting those, if you're on the smartphone again, hitting those 3 little lines over on the right-hand side. And then when you go to the courses, you'll see online training courses. I'm sorry, I'm hoping this shows up, guys. If you have any questions, you know how to just...
Scroll up on it.
Oh, scroll up.
There you go. Okay.
And that's...
I hope it shows.
Yeah. How to freehand carve all things inset. Anyway, so that's 50% off too. So normally it'd be $97. It'd be half of that. Anyway, so that's... we decided to add that as well. So... we're super excited about the Black Friday sale. We've been kind of prepping for it for a while, and you guys always support us so much. So we just wanted to get on here. You'll be getting emails from me over the next few days. The sale officially runs from 8 a.m. Mountain Time this morning. So just basically, depending on when you see this, 8 a.m. Mountain Time, Friday morning through Sunday evening, 8 p.m. So I think that's about 60 hours if I'm did my math correctly. So you guys can order through the website. The pricing will already be there. There should be a banner that you can click on that shows all the products that are on sale. Or you can just give us a call, 928-565-4566, and Vicki will happily take your order over the phone. But that's it, guys. Just a quick announcement. And again, a success story of Matt Bay. So proud of you, Matt. You're doing great stuff, man. We love you, dude. That's it, guys. So have a great Thanksgiving weekend. And if any of this stuff will work for you, let us know. And we love you guys. We'll see you on the next video. You'll see another video sometime in the next few days. Anyway, love you guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.